What is project organization? Which factors characterize a good project organization, and what must we avoid? The important questions in project management are: why is the project being carried out? What is the scope of work? When will the project be finished? How much will the project cost? What if risks materialize along the way? And who is going to do what? The way most modern organizations, public as well as private, are structured is fairly similar. The organization is built up of functional units or departments that reflect what the enterprise does. Examples include departments for engineering, HR, manufacturing, R&D, construction, sales, IT, logistics, maintenance, and so on. It is the functional units that have the resources to produce goods and services that the enterprise delivers to its clients or users. This type of organization is called a line organization, since responsibility, authority, and information pass in lines down from executive management. Organizations wish to build strong functional units in which skilled professionals have the opportunity to develop the necessary competence. This ensures high-quality deliverables. The objective of all organizations is to perform the work which causes it to reach its goals. This means that management's most important task is to ensure that limited resources, such as personnel, equipment, materials, machinery, and money, are deployed in the ways that best support the enterprise's operations, development, and growth. Work is performed as day-to-day operational tasks or projects. Examples of operational tasks include administrative work, manufacturing, personnel management, marketing, sales, and accounting. Examples of projects include the development of new products and services, or changes to existing products, services, or organizational structures. Operational tasks are carried out in the individual department on the basis of defined work processes, and the deliverables to clients or users are generally the results of several departments' combined efforts. In this context, a good vertical flow within the organization is necessary. Projects are generally performed across the organization. The development of new products and services requires knowledge and skills from several departments. Such projects are called matrix projects. Large and complicated projects can also be performed by a project organization that is not tied to day-to-day activities. They are called stand-alone projects, while projects which only require the efforts of one department are carried out in the department and are often called functional projects or department projects. The vast majority of projects are performed as matrix projects, and enterprises with many matrix projects are often called matrix organizations. In such organizations, it's important to have a good horizontal flow, in other words, good cross-functional cooperation in pursuit of shared goals. Many organizations perform the bulk of their work in the form of projects. These are called project-based or project-intensive organizations. These organizations are generally built up of departments that support the project's requirements. The client's point of contact with these organizations is the project set up to meet their specific needs and requirements. It is therefore important that the line organization cooperates to provide a good horizontal flow so the client wishes to buy more from them in the future. The vast majority of organizations perform both operational activities and projects. Organization charts showing management and organizational units reflect operational activities that are intended to be never-ending. Project roles, which are temporary, are not plotted into the organization chart. Responsibility and authority follow the lines in the organization and are specific for each management level. The line organization owns the resources, since it is the structure that is permanent. Project roles, along with their responsibilities and authority, must be defined for each project, and the project needs resources from the line organization to perform project work. Enterprises that perform both operational activities and projects can become a complicated network, with many players who must cooperate and communicate horizontally and vertically. These enterprises are also constantly in motion, since operational activities vary in volume and intensity, at the same time as projects progress through various phases with different resource requirements. Projects are closed and new ones started. This requires management to have an overview of operational activities, projects, resource availability, and resource requirements as a basis for drawing up priorities for the benefit of the entire enterprise. Project organization is an important area of knowledge in the field of project management, since it describes how projects should be organized to succeed in busy and dynamic enterprises. Making good, conscious decisions regarding a project's organization ensures that the following important elements are put in place. Appropriate organization of projects in relation to the line organization. Capable project managers and project owners. Clearly defined roles and responsibilities. Correspondence between responsibility and authority. Capable project teams with complementary team roles. Effective project teams that are keen to succeed. Good stakeholder management. Good communication that oils the cogs in the project machinery and ensures good cooperation both vertically and horizontally. And seen from the project side, good flow in the project factory. And what should we avoid? Unclear roles and responsibilities. Project owners who do not understand their responsibilities. Project managers with a lot of responsibility and little authority. The wrong project managers and the wrong project owners. Project teams which lack competence and capacity. Insufficient involvement of stakeholders, such as clients and users, and poor communication.